Hello and welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two drones that are perfect for aerial photography and fun flying. In this corner, we have the Mini Drone, and in the other corner, we have the Holy Stone GPS drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial photos and videos, having a reliable camera is crucial. The Mini Drone boasts a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, which is manually adjustable up to 90 degrees. With FPV transmission, you can even see the live videos on your smartphone and easily share them on social media. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone takes it up a notch with its 4K UHD camera, equipped with a 1.3" CMOS Galaxy Core sensor. It offers a wide-angle view of 85 degrees and can be adjusted within 90 degrees using the remote control or the app. The Holy Stone drone truly unleashes your creativity from a whole new perspective. Now let's talk about flight features. The Mini Drone is designed as the best drone toy for kids and beginners. It has a one-key start landing button, making it incredibly easy to fly. With different speed modes and altitude hold, even the beginners can master it in no time. Additionally, it offers multiple fun flight modes and even supports voice gesture control for a unique flying experience. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone offers an advanced flight experience. It has 3 control modes: remote controller, app, and voice control. The app even includes gravity sense mode, altitude hold mode, and headless mode. Whether you're a kid or a beginner, the Holy Stone drone provides a user-friendly flying experience. Safety is always a top priority, especially when flying drones. The Mini Drone comes with low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. It also includes 2 rechargeable batteries that offer a total flight time of 18 to 21 minutes. Safety and longer flying time make it a great choice. The Holy Stone GPS drone, weighing less than 250 grams, doesn't require FAA or remote ID registration. It features the Holy Stone Advanced Intelligent Control System, providing a range of up to 10,000 feet. With its powerful modular battery, you can enjoy a flight time of 20 minutes. The Holy Stone drone combines safety and long-range flying capabilities. After comparing the Mini Drone and the Holy Stone GPS drone, it's clear that both drones have their unique strengths. The Holy Stone GPS drone excels in camera quality, flight features, and safety. On the other hand, the Mini Drone offers a great entry-level option with its affordability and fun flight modes. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for professional-grade aerial photography and advanced features, the Holy Stone GPS drone is the way to go. But if you're a beginner or looking for a budget-friendly option, the Mini Drone is a fantastic choice. Remember to consider your priorities and make an informed decision based on what you value the most. That's all for today's comparison. We hope this video helped you in choosing the right drone for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. See you next time on Buy Smart.